Exercise 7.1, question number 7. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. So the point we have on the x-axis, let us draw an imaginary figure for this. Basically figure is not required, but just to understand the concept I am making this figure. We have this x-axis and on this x-axis we have a point, let it be A, and this point is equidistant from 2 points, (2, minus 5). Let this be P, and another point we can take here, minus 2, 9. Let this point be Q. Now this point A is equidistant from P and Q. That means distances AP and AQ are equal, we are given. Okay. Now the coordinates of A, since we are given that this point which is equidistant from these 2 points is lying on the x-axis, so any point lying on the x-axis has the coordinates x, 0, because on this line it has no movement, so y value will be 0. The point is on x-axis, so it will be having coordinates x, 0. If the point is on y-axis, its coordinate will be 0, y. Okay, so we have to find the value of x. Okay, so given that AP is equal to AQ, because A is equidistant from P and Q, so we can find out the distances AP and AQ. So if AP is equal to AQ, so if we square both of them, AP square will be equal to AQ square. Okay, if they are equal, then their squares will be also equal. Now we are squaring it because in the distance formula we are getting under root, and if we are squaring, under root will be removed. Now the distance AP, now if we consider it as x1 y1 and this one as x2 y2, or this one as x1 y1 and this two as x2 y2, so AP will be equal to x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 5, that is plus 5 whole square, is equal to AQ, considering this one as x1 y1 and this one as x2 y2, so x2 minus x1, that is x minus 2 means plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. Let me remind you that the under root has been removed because we have squared it. Okay, so let us solve it by applying a minus b the whole square. So x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 0 plus 5 is 5 and 5 square is 25 is equal to, applying a plus b whole square, we get x square plus 4 plus 4x plus 0 minus 9 is minus 9 and minus 9 square is 81. Now if you see both the sides, we have x square here and here both, so it can be cut. We have 4 here and here with same sign, it can be also cut. So we have minus 4x plus 25 is equal to 4x plus 81. That implies minus 4x is equal to 81 minus 25. That implies minus 8x is equal to 56. That implies x is equal to 56 upon minus 8, and we can cancel it. So we get x is equal to minus 7. That means the coordinates of a x comma 0 will be equal to minus 7 comma 0. Okay, so this way we can find out the value of the point on axis, and make sure that when you are answering any value for the axis, even if you are getting only one value as x we got here, the answer has to be reported for x and y both. Like the point is on x-axis, so its y coordinate will be 0. So the real answer will be minus 7 comma 0. Okay. If suppose by chance you write the answer as minus 7 only, it will not be considered the right answer. Please be careful.